Today, I'm excited to introduce Advantech's GenAI SDK, a comprehensive platform designed specifically to help system integrators deploy AI solutions faster, more reliably, and with reduced integration overhead. GenAI SDK is built around three core software modules. First, we have GenAI Studio, a no-code development platform that enables SI teams to rapidly build, fine-tune, and deploy custom large language models on-premise. It supports full-parameter LLM fine-tuning with a focus on cost efficiency and affordability, making generative AI at the edge both practical and scalable for enterprise clients. Second is the Inference Kit, which accelerates AI application development by simplifying various embedded operating system platforms. This empowers integrators to quickly deliver proof of concept and production-ready solutions. Third is the Orchestration Platform, designed to help users centrally manage models and applications across a large number of edge devices. It also allows deeper integration with your customers' existing MLOps pipelines, enabling better visibility, version control, and long-term lifecycle maintenance of deployed models. From the perspective of the full edge AI development workflow, including post-training, inference deployment, and lifecycle management, GenAI SDK provides the essential tools and infrastructure to support SI teams through every key phase. It's applicable across industries like smart manufacturing, intelligent transportation, MR and robotics, and generative AI scenarios. In addition to software, Advantech offers design-in expert services for SI partners, including Onyx model optimization, edge-to-cloud MLOps consulting, and hardware validation across top AI computing platforms such as NVIDIA, Intel, Qualcomm, MediaTek, and others. With Advantech's wide range of edge computing systems, embedded boards, and industrial-grade platforms, system integrators can confidently deliver turnkey AI solutions with minimal integration time and maximum value. GenAI SDK is your most trusted toolset for scaling AI at the edge. Let's explore how we can collaborate on your next AI deployment. Thank you very much.